This is a brand new 2013 Ford Taurus SHOW. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission and a 3.5-liter V6. Its top features include XM satellite radio, a twin turbocharged forced induction system, a sports suspension, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are included: steering wheel memory settings, dual power seats, 7 intelligently positioned speakers, steering wheel mounted gear shift, side impact airbags, a split folding rear seat, and power adjustable gas and brake pedals enable you to change their height and distance to fit your body rather than you fit to their positions. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.